These guys? Even the low ones? No, those are seals.
These are all juveniles or females. That might be a male there on the right. Males have more of like a square head and a crest.